What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Design, back with another video. And in today's video, we will be embroidering on a dad hat. And this design is a customer's logo, and it is called KOCKY. So I will be doing their hats, and also if you want hats from them, their Instagram will be in the description below, so you can acquire anything from them as far as hats or any other merch that they might have coming out soon. So definitely stay tuned to the video, and without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, so you already know what we're going to need, which is of course your cap backing stabilizer as well as your cap. So I am going to go ahead and start to hoop everything and get that set up and started. I'm not going to take too long with it because of course I've showed you guys in other videos. Now if you do want to watch it, I will have a video in the right hand corner, and you can go ahead and click that link and just watch some of the videos where I show you how to hoop. So let me go ahead and hoop this, guys. So stay tuned. Also, if you could do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you. All right, so we are all set. The hat is hooped. I have it right here in my hand. Just going to go ahead, place it on. Snap that in place. Okay, so it looks kind of crooked, so what I am going to do is go ahead and just rotate it, straighten it up. All right, looks good. So from there, we're going to go ahead and just get started. So definitely, guys, stay tuned. Also, I have a surprise for you guys. Haven't forgot. So I did ask in my last video if anyone could go ahead and name 4 of the Ghostbuster characters. Honestly, only one person did it, but that's fine. So they won, of course. They got it all right. And I will be giving away a $25 gift card for Nike. So I will have the person's name. You'll see it right here. So if you are watching the video, contact me. If you have an Instagram, you can always contact me via Instagram or via email. My email address is always down in the description below, and I'll have the card shipped out to you free of charge. So once again, thank you guys. I'm going to be doing more giveaways as well. So I mean, I'm dead serious, guys. So you know, like I said, just stick with me. I'll work with you guys. So yeah, I appreciate it again for the support for everyone. From everyone, sorry about that. So let's go ahead and jump into the video now and stay tuned. So this one I'm doing in thread, but to try to save time, I think what I am going to do is go ahead and use felt. So for this first one, I'm just going to do it as a rough draft. Still going to get sewed, but I think what I am going to do is just do it as a, not practice, but just a trial. So I just want to make sure that it does come out good, but I already have an idea that it is. My only concern is just time, and 22 minutes each hat, you know, you're kind of pushing it. Your day is going to be gone, as well as spending time on just doing the hat itself is going to take some time out of other projects that you might have to do. So what I am going to do is substitute it and just make sure it still looks great. But I am going to substitute it for the background, which is black. So I think I do have a lot of black felt, which is a good thing. I just recently bought some, and if you guys want to know where I get it from, of course Amazon, and that is and will be in the description below if you guys want to check that out. So let me know how the video's turning out so far. Stay tuned, and like I said earlier, I've got these giveaways going on. I'll let you guys know the next giveaway and what it will be. The reason why I think personally this design and the way the hat's going to come out is so dope is because it has that Super Mario feel. You guys know what I'm talking about, the colors as far as the red, the blue, the yellow, and the green. So it kind of, you know, it brings back a little bit of memories, and to me it kind of has that Mario feel. I don't know if the customer was going for that, but it's amazing, I'm not gonna lie. So it looks good, it looks great, coming out clean, and you know, we're gonna keep going with the video. So definitely stay tuned, guys, and if you're still here watching, can you do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. Coming out clean so far, so good. Let me know, guys, down in the comment section what you think. How is it coming out so far? Would you wear it? Yes, no, maybe so. I ain't gonna lie, I'll wear it. I'll wear it for sure. So yeah, put it down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about it. Once again, like I said in the beginning of the video, if you want to contact this person for their designed hat, just go to their Instagram. That will be in the description below. If you want, I can go ahead and flash it for you right now on the screen. Here you go. So just go ahead and contact them, and they'll let you know most likely all the details of how to reach them and how to inquire about a purchase. So one thing I am big on, guys, too, is support. So I definitely support, not just the term of support me, then I can support you. You don't have to support me, but I am a supporter. So that's one thing I do, and that's one thing about myself. I love to support people, love to help out. So that's one of my goals, is just to help out as many people as I can. And once again, without you guys, some of this probably wouldn't be possible. So I appreciate you guys as well. So we are all done and finished. So what I'm going to do is take it out the hoop, show you guys the final results, and then you guys can be the judge. So stay tuned. Let's get into it. Take this off. Those over there. Yeah, you see it. Let me go ahead and clip this piece. A little lower. Perfect. And of course, take your backing out. Fold it back. Relax, and let me know what you guys think, man. It came out amazing, looks good, clean, looks dope. I don't know, now I'm kind of indecisive. Should I go with felt? Should I keep it thread in the background? It's kind of tough. Looks great though. It definitely looks great. I'm feeling this design. I'm feeling the colors as well. Like I said, it gives me that Super Mario vibe. If you haven't seen that video, guys, go check that out. I'm gonna leave that in the top right corner as well. So go check out that Mario bucket hat. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. So like I said, it looks great, looks good. Yeah, can't complain. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comment section. And yeah, that'll do it for the video. Yeah, I love it. So as always, once again, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out. Peace.